Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add Welcome Bot to Discord. First, click on the relevant option in your server and choose App Directory. In the search bar, look for Probot. Once you find it, click on the option, which has a star icon. Select Add App and follow the prompts to complete the process. Once that's done, scroll down until you see the Welcome and Goodbye section. Click on it and you'll find an option to customize the welcome message. After enabling the feature, you can edit the message however you like. For example, there's an option to send a message when a user joins the server. Customize this as needed. Next, under the Send to a Channel option, ensure you've selected the correct channel for the welcome message. Once that's set, click on the channel name to confirm. Afterward, you can close this window as it's no longer needed. To test if everything works, you can simulate a new user joining the server. Copy the invite link from your server, switch to another Discord account, and use the Join a Server option. Paste the link and join the server to see if the welcome message appears correctly. And that's how you can add a welcome bot to your Discord server. Thank you for watching.